The cost of poor maintenance. Inventory management. There are many steps involved in managing inventory. Any mistake along the way can mean hefty financial losses. Poor inventory management can lead to higher costs for parts and storage, imbalanced maintenance scheduling, and an increase in stockouts and obsolete inventory. Having too little stock presents a more immediate problem. Imagine a critical piece of production equipment goes down and you don't have the part needed to repair it. Downtime on that machine just went from a couple of hours to a couple of days or weeks, and the cost of that breakdown skyrocketed. That's not to mention the extremely high cost of rush shipping or risky stopgap measures technicians often feel they need to employ to keep production on schedule.